Several years ago, the American Academy of Pediatrics (APEP) recommended that infants sleep in the same room as their parents for the first 6 months, but in their own separate blanket-free space. This guidance sparked innovation among manufacturers, leading to the development of improved bedside baby bassinets. Today, parents can choose from a diverse array of options designed to promote safe sleep practices while keeping infants close. There are many baby bassinet to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best baby bassinet from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Graco Sensitus News Bassinet. The Graco Sensitus News Bassinet is a revolutionary sleep solution designed to provide comfort and peace of mind for both baby and parents. Featuring advanced cry detection technology, this innovative bassinet automatically responds to your baby's cries, initiating a soothing combination of motion, sound, and vibration to lull your little one back to sleep. The gradual head-to-toe motion offers 3 different speeds, allowing you to find the perfect pace to match your baby's preferences. 2 vibration settings further enhance the calming effect, while a variety of white noise, music, and nature sounds create a tranquil sleep environment. This thoughtfully designed bassinet adapts to your baby's needs, potentially giving parents more restful nights. Number 2. Snoo Smart Sleeper Baby Bassinet. The Snoo Smart Sleeper Baby Bassinet is a cutting-edge sleep solution that revolutionizes infant care, promising to boost sleep by 1–2 hours per night. This innovative bassinet mimics the comforting environment of the womb with constant rumbly sounds and gentle rocking motions, automatically detecting and responding to your baby's fussing with gradually intensifying white noise and movement. As the only bassinet that adheres to the American Academy of Pediatrics' top safe sleep guideline by keeping infants safely on their backs. The Snoo prevents risky rolling and comes with 3 hip-safe sleep sack swaddles. Its smart app allows for easy customization, logging sleep patterns and enabling adjustments to motion, sound, and cry sensitivity. Number 3. Halo Bassinet Soothing Swivel Sleeper. The Halo Bassinet Soothing Swivel Sleeper, rated Best Bassinet by Forbes, offers a revolutionary approach to safe and convenient infant sleep. Its unique swivel design allows the bassinet to rotate over your bed, providing the closest safe sleep experience possible while maintaining separate sleep surfaces. The mesh walls ensure optimal airflow and visibility, promoting a safe sleep environment with 2 levels of vibration and 4 calming sounds. This bassinet is equipped to soothe your baby to sleep and help them stay asleep. The easy lowering wall facilitates nighttime feedings and cuddles without leaving your bed. Versatility is key with its 2-in-1 design, converting to a portable nest for supervised daytime use around the house. Height adjustable to accommodate beds up to 30 high, it's ideal for bed frames over 4.5 from the floor. Number 4. Maxi-Cosi Era Bedside Bassinet. The Maxi-Cosi Era Bedside Bassinet is a parent's dream come true, offering a stylish and versatile sleep solution that keeps your baby close and comfortable. Designed for ease of use, this bassinet features a supportive mattress perfect for short naps or full nights of sleep, complemented by breathable mesh sides that promote air circulation and allow you to feel connected to your little one. With 4 adjustable heights and 3 slide positions, the IRA adapts to your space and needs, making middle-of-the-night check-ins and diaper changes effortless. Its modern design, featuring clean lines and a neutral color palette with natural finishes, seamlessly blends with any decor, elevating the aesthetic of your room. The IOR's versatility shines through its ability to accommodate various situations, from late-night feedings to daytime rest, ensuring both baby's comfort and parents' convenience. Number 5. Chico Close Bedside Bassinet. The Chico Close Bedside Bassinet is a versatile 3-in-1 sleep solution that serves as a bedside sleeper, portable bassinet, and extended use-changing table supporting up to 35 lb. Its ingenious design features a reversible mattress, quilted for sleep on one side and waterproof for changes on the other, with machine washable, zip-off fabrics for easy maintenance. An electronic module enhances the sleep environment with 6 melodies, 2 vibration settings, and a nightlight. The bassinet's height-adjustable design allows for seamless integration with your bed for close, independent sleep and convenient night feedings, while also providing a comfortable standing height when used as a changing station. Room-to-room portability is ensured by a dual-function handle brake and rubberized swivel wheels, making it easy to move and lock into. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.